Hello and welcome to the Tech Tinker. Today I'm going to show you how to take the back off of your Samsung Galaxy Tab A. So let's get started. What I start with is one of these plastic picks. You can find most repair kits. And then I start on one of the corners. I take the plastic pick, insert it in the corner, and bend until you hear a snap. Might be a little crack. Like that. Now I usually continue using this, but if you'd rather use a different tool, one of these also works. These little angled things. I think they're meant for this purpose too. Actually, they should be facing towards the tablet screen. So I use this nice and quick down the side. Make sure it's angled like this, and then you're pushing like that. Now you could do the same with the top. Now around the corner, this should snap off, or not off, but it should snap like this. Be careful around the buttons, you could damage something here. Yours might be a little harder because mine has been opened before, but it's the same process. Now, if you get caught on something, do not try to force. Although nothing will probably happen, I still wouldn't recommend it. Now, if you have any trouble, I'd go back to using the pick. Start at a different corner. And then do the same thing you were before. Okay, now we got this separated. Now we have the bottom. Careful not to let the table scratch your tablet by letting it slide. And now that you have all the clips released, you just lift the back off, and there are your internals. I'm just going to set this to the side. Now here you can access your battery, your speaker, other speaker. You could change your port. Actually, that might be soldered. There's a flex cable for the screen up here, the camera. You can replace basically anything in here that's replaceable, obviously. You need a little Phillips screwdriver, and you could take out any of these little screws. So, yeah. A battery replacement, you just take this connector off, lift upward, unscrew these screws around the battery, and lift it out of place. I don't need to replace my battery, but that is a simple explanation on how. Once you've serviced everything in here, take the back, line it up with these two case mounting points, and then you just pinch it together. This might be a bit difficult, but yeah. Don't be concerned with any cracking noises. These are just the clips engaging. Don't worry, these scratches are from heavy use over 7 years, not from previous repair attempts. And once you got all of those connected, you can hold your power button, and your tablet can start. Ignore this, my tablet is rooted, so that is the recovery thing. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you liked it. Leave a dislike if you didn't, even though it doesn't matter because YouTube removed dislikes. Yeah, see you in the next one whenever I upload.